Piston assembly inspection and replacement. Removal of piston. The first step of piston removal procedure is to separate the connecting rod big end. Therefore, the operation must start at the bottom end of the engine. Position the piston at its BDC position. Remove the bearing cap and bearing from the connecting rod big end. By using the wooden handle of a hammer or equivalent soft bar, push the connecting rod big end down to remove the piston. Make sure not to damage the connecting rod, cylinder skirt and wall, and piston during this process. To remove the other pistons that are not yet aligned with the BDC position, rotate the crankshaft to align with the BDC position.